Gates open, they're up and racing. We've got a scramble for front position. Haywire draws for your lead. Precious Size running by the rail, running alongside third is Spanish Drums. Storm Gas comes next, then comes Manila's Gem. Running on the outside, Mike's Dancer. Golden Hana is by the rail. Second last, Defiant. And a long way back to Grand Homer. Heading towards the last 600. Two runners are now fighting it out for the lead. Haywire running by the rail, running alongside is Spanish Drums, and now about to throw the challenge, and now almost catching the lead as they turn to the last 450 is Spanish Drums, this time leading by half length. Running by the rail is Haywire, closing in third by the rail is Preciosa. Running on the outside is Storm Gas. With the last 150 more to run, we have Haywire back to 2 lengths lead. Preciosa is running by the rail, second, and on the outside is Spanish Drums, and leading the finish line. Haywire still leading the field. Preciosa, and finally Haywire just got there over Preciosa. Then comes Spanish Drums, Storm Gas, Golden Hana for your Pentapecta.